Hello Vicho, let's read this question. The question says the outer orbitals of carbon in ethene molecules can be considered to be hybridized to give three equivalent sp2 orbitals. The total number of sigma and pi bonds in ethene molecules is. ठीक है, सो इस क्वेश्चन में हमसे क्या पूछा गया है कि जो कार्बन है इथेन के इथेन मॉलिक्यूल्स में जो कार्बन इन्वॉल्व होता है उसके आउटर ऑर्बिटल्स में को अगर हम हाइब्रिडाइज करते हैं, ठीक है, तो वो थ्री इक्विवेलेंट sp2 ऑर्बिटल्स देता है। तो इस sp2 ऑर्बिटल्स में कितने सिग्मा और कितने पाई बॉन्ड्स इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, ठीक है, तो ये हमको यहाँ फाइंड आउट करना है। तो इस क्वेश्चन में हमारा मेन की कंसेप्ट क्या हो जाएगा? Key concept of this question is sigma and pi bond. Sigma and pi bond. Okay. So first we take an example of some ethane and ethene molecules. If we talk about the ethane, carbon having the 4 valency, so 4 hydrogens are attached with the carbons, so it's formed the sp3 hybridization and there is 4 sigma bonds are formed. As we know, this single bonds represents the sigma bond, and in case of carbon-carbon double bond and 4 hydrogens are attached with this 2 carbon, there is a double bond. In this, 5 sigma bonds are there. Okay, 1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma, 4 sigma and 5 sigma. As we know, 1 sigma and 1 pi bond is present in the double bond. Okay, so it's a 5 sigma and 1 pi bonds are formed. Okay, these are pi bond. The next example, if in case of triple bond, there is 3 sigma and 2 pi bonds are formed. Okay, how to form a 3 sigma? In this, first is a sigma bond and remaining 2 form the pi bond. Okay, so in this 3 sigma bonds are there and 2 pi bonds are formed. Okay, this one is this sigma bond and another is this one. Okay, in case of carbon double bond, and in this case there is 5 sigma bond are formed and 1 pi bond is formed. This double bond, one is sigma bond and one is pi bond. So there is 1, 2, 3 sigma, 4 sigma and 5 sigma bond are formed and 1 pi bond are formed. In these questions, we calculate the total number of sigma and pi bond in sp2 orbitals. Okay. तो sp2 ऑर्बिटल्स में हमको यह बताना है कि कितने सिग्मा और कितने पाई बॉन्ड्स फॉर्म हो। तो ये हमारे यहाँ पे कितने बने? 5 सिग्मा एंड 1 पाई बॉन्ड्स आर फॉर्म. दिस इज 5 sigma and 1 pi bond is formed. So the correct option is option number 4. So we write the answer option number 4. 5 sigma and 1 pi bonds are formed in the ethene molecules. Okay, hope you understood it well. Best of luck.